paano gusto ko lang naman malaman. Saan ba ako nanggaling? Bakit ba ako pinamigay? Gusto ko lang malaman, tay. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nun na nagbabago ang tingin ko sa inyo ni nanay.
Sa mga projects like soap opera, it needs time. No? It's like you're giving birth to a character, to a person. In my case, madalas, it takes a while. It takes a while for me to give life to the character, to give its own identity. Because nabibigyan lang naman ako ng chance to work on it while doing scenes.
Pero lalahanin mo, Leon, na kami, hinanggap ka namin ng buong buo. Kami, hindi sila.
Nay!
It takes a while bago siya mag-second skin. Ganun yung process ko. Hindi mo naman mabubuo yung isang character total scratch. No? Kasi iipunin mo lang yun yung mga experiences mo. It can use a bit of your imagination and creativity, and I think it will always be based on your personal experiences. Memories, pains, joy, yun lang ang pwedeng bumuo sa kanya. It's a very exciting process pero mahirap din. Especially in this country, yung trend kasi dito is sunod-sunod ng work mo May ginagawa kang teleserye, may ginagawa kang pelikula simultaneously. Sunod-sunod. It's almost, there's no time to breathe and shake off your character sa set na pinanggalingan mo. Parang weird other character na sa pupuntahan mo.